There's the bus I just got off. And we're at this garage, and looks like there's an elevator. Yeah, there it is. Or there's two. They're probably Kone. Yes, they are. And there's a big puddle in here. Oh, they're older. I think these are MontgomeryKONE. It is a beautiful day today. Yeah, they're MontgomeryKONE, I think. Wow, those doors slam. Anyway, up we go. Hydro. All right, we're gonna watch the numbers going down. Wow, those doors slam. Interesting. Oh, it doesn't really show up good on my camera, does it? Well, strange. Anyway, here's your fixtures. Very interesting. This is one of the older elevators on the RTD system. Wow. Yeah, let's see. Well, there's the arrow. And then you can imagine what 03 and 02 look like in 01. The view is cooler. Yeah, I'm in a bit of a hurry just because I want to catch the next bus going in the same direction because I'm on my way to Boulder right now. And that comes in like 15 minutes, so I just got 15 minutes or so to check out the elevators on this block quickly. But anyway. Oh, look at that. Anyway, that's it. Wait, where's the other car? Oh, it's on 3. We'll watch it blow this. And that's it. Jeez, that thing slams.